Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 essential tips to help our garden thrive after a downpour. ELOC Nation, it has been a wet week. Thunderstorms, extended periods of rain. How to get your garden back in shape after a downpour. First things first, check your soil. After heavy rain, your soil can become compacted and waterlogged. If your soil is compacted or waterlogged, gently aerate it with a garden fork or a spade. This will help to improve drainage and allow your plants to breathe again. Catching rainwater. After a storm or heavy rain, it's important to assess your plants. Some of your plants may have suffered from excess water. Look for signs of wilting or yellowing leaves. When assessing the situation, if you spot any damaged plants, don't hesitate to trim them back. This will encourage new growth and keep your garden looking fresh. While it might seem counterintuitive, adding diseased plants to your compost bin is generally not recommended due to risk of spreading pathogens. Trim that back. Do not add this to your compost bin. Tomato leaves, they are known for carrying diseases. More yellow leaves, so we're going to get this cleaned up. Trim these stems back, so we don't want any of this yellow leafing. Just get rid of it all. It's not going to turn back green again, so just get rid of it. That's always a good thing to see. I'm going to go ahead and take this inside, and they will finish ripening indoors. Inspect your plants to see if there's anything your plant needs. Clean up all debris. Heavy rain can wash leaves, branches, and even trash into your garden. Take a few minutes to clear away any debris. Just look around to see if there's anything. Pull out weeds while the soil is nice and moist, because you're able to pull out not only the leaf but also the root as well. If you pull the top but you don't get the root, it's going to grow back. So this is a great time to weed. So just go in and get it cleaned up. This not only keeps the garden tidy, but also prevents pests from hiding out in the mess. Grab all of the dead leaves that are left behind. Yeah, clean up things like this. See how easily it came up? Because the soil is nice and moist. It's nice not having to pull weeds and a bunch of hot sun and heat. Also removing leaves just to clear my walkway. Makes it easier to walk through here. This one doesn't look good, so we're gonna pull this out. Oh, look at this. Look what we got. Isn't that funny? So we found some red potatoes. Ha ha. It's starting to drizzle. So cool. I love it when I find a little surprise. And nasturtiums are looking crazy. I'm catching all this rainwater. Don't forget about your mulch. If your garden has been flooded, some of your mulch may have washed away. Replenishing it will help to retain moisture and suppress weeds as your plants recover. Speaking of moisture, be mindful of watering after heavy rain. Your garden may still be saturated. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a big no-no for your plants. The next time you plan to water, do a soil check just to be on the safe side. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests and take action if needed. A little prevention goes a long way. This is a good time to turn over your pots and containers. A lot of times you might find snails and slugs. I don't see any here. Yes, this is where they hide. So I was able to get the garden cleaned up today. I trimmed a lot of yellow leaves. I pulled weeds, checked my plants to see what they needed. I looked for pests. So there you have it. With these 5 essential tips, your garden should bounce back beautifully after heavy rain. Remember, every garden has its ups and downs. No one has control over the weather. Do your best. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.